Passive income is not what you think. It's not get rich while you sleep. At least not at first. If a video promises you money for doing nothing, close it. This one's different. Welcome to Money Made Simple. Passive income actually means this. You do the work once and you get paid repeatedly. Notice that first part. Work once. There's still upfront effort. The passive part comes later, after the heavy lifting is done. Let's clear up 3 myths right now. Myth 1, it's effortless. It's not. Every real passive income stream starts with real work. Building something, creating something, setting something up. Myth 2, it'll make you rich overnight. It won't. This is a slow build, not a jackpot. Myth 3, there are shortcuts. There aren't. If someone's selling you a secret system for instant passive income, that's a scam, not a strategy. So what actually works? Here are 4 realistic options for beginners. First, digital products. Create an ebook, a template, or a course once, and sell it over and over. Second, print on demand. Design a t-shirt or product once, and a service handles printing and shipping every time someone buys it. Third, dividend stocks. Some halal companies share their profits with shareholders regularly. A slow, steady form of income. Fourth, rental property. This needs upfront capital, but done the halal way, it's a real, time-tested passive income source. Here's the truth nobody wants to hear. Passive income is a long-term game. It takes months, sometimes years, of upfront work before it becomes passive. Start small. Be patient. Don't chase shortcuts. Your challenge. Pick one passive income idea from this list and spend 30 minutes this week researching it. That's the real first step. Subscribe to Money Made Simple for more beginner-friendly money tips.